Out with the old, in with the new. Now on BBC One, Natasha Kaplinsky is your host for a celebrity-packed party as we count down to the New Year live.
Say goodbye to 2006 and hello to 2007, and somehow we're going to find Nick Knowles out there.
I'm here in the crowd. It's all going on. There are, as I say, huge crowds gathered here, and they're all here to count down to 2007. What on earth happened? It's 7 years since Millennium Night. What happened to those 7 years? It's extraordinary. Kiritimati is the first place to get New Year. The last place on earth is Samoa. Doesn't happen till 11 o'clock our time tomorrow. Fact of the matter is, GMT, Greenwich is down the road. Doesn't matter till it happens here. It is under a minute to 2007. Draw a line under whatever it was that you were doing in 2006. You could make a new start here. The crowd behind me are all going bonkers. Under a minute, ladies and gentlemen. I was saying, the fact of the matter is, Greenwich Mean Time is where it's all set from. Greenwich is here on the River Thames. When the clock strikes here, then it's New Year everywhere. See 25 miles from the top of there on a clear day. That day, I have to tell you, is not today. The weather has been appalling, but the people have turned out in their thousands. Just take a look and a listen at this. And he's very, very French. He said a funny thing, which I was listening to. Well, wait till these bangs go through. Listen to this. You can feel it running straight through your body on here. Fantastic. He said, a firework display is a phenomenon, a triumphant celebration. I consider myself to be an artist. I'll tell you what, he's absolutely right. This is beautiful. The smell of cordite is drifting across the Thames here. Amazing. The gunpowder, the fireboats are coming in through the middle as well. And it makes me think, as you smell the gunpowder here, it makes you think of our friends abroad, our family abroad, people who are serving abroad who can't be here tonight. No matter what the politics are, they're our family, and we're thinking about them as we watch this. Big starbursts, we all love those. As I said, this was designed by a Frenchman who started his career with the Barcelona Olympics. He said, I'm an artist, but not a great one, but a creator of works of art nonetheless. I'll tell you what, he hasn't done a bad job, has he? What a character. I hope you're getting this all around the country. It goes from, he tries to create light and shade at the moment. It's like a fairyland with all the lights and different colours firing off. You can see the pyro boat drifting across on the water there. And we're building up now towards the big crescendo, the end of the display, which I guarantee you will be phenomenal. Have someone close to you. Do something amazing this year. Let this inspire you. Absolutely. How amazing was that? Did you like that? Was that the best firework display you've ever seen? You know what? As I said during that firework display, let that inspire you. Let 2000, whatever's happened that's bad in 2006, draw a line under it. Get off the cigarettes, give up drink, give up drugs. Do something special this year. So, do you know what? We've all gone silent because it was so amazing. Natasha, I hope that was as good where you were as it was here.
Oh, it certainly was. Nick, Happy New Year to you and to you at home. That was truly breathtaking.